Go on then. So we're here, Staley Bridge. We've come to try a shashlik banging box. So, let's see what this shashlik banging box is all about. Get that bad boy. 11 quid. Shashlik banger box. So you get doner meat, you get chicken tikka, you get lamb tikka, you get seekh kebab, chips and cheese. So, chicken tikka, very, really big pieces. Very tasty. Soft. Tender, really nice. All good methods red on. Everywhere I'm going, I seem to see this popping up everywhere. It's different, I get it. It's different. Sweet. Try this one. Mmm. Black and tikka sauce. Really nice. Tasty. Slightly fruity that one as well. Chips and cheese underneath. That's in there, onions in there. Lamb tikka, really nice, soft. And a little sweet cake. I'm looking for you, puppy. Smaller than usual. Equally nice and tasty. If you're from the area, and you know Stanley Square, and you've not been, what are you waiting for? 11 quid. Shashlik banging box. Solid 8 out of 10. Like I share with mates. Ta-ra.